Alright, good morning everybody. This is the Subi fam. I'm gonna do a little new type of vid today. I'm gonna do a little POV driving. First we gotta put on MC's mod. Doing a solo dolo type vid today. All by myself. What's up Subi fam? Just got out of work and my dumb ass forgot to charge the camera this morning, so y'all didn't even get to see me drive up, but thankfully y'all will see me drive back. We're driving a 2018 STI today. You know, I really think it's an awesome sports daily driver. If a kid wants to be a little sporty and have a so nice cruise to work, she's right here. It's about a 45-minute drive home, so it's gonna be a little bit, boys. Y'all better buckle in your seatbelts. And we're gonna beat the piss out of her and show y'all what Blue can handle. Lift your feet, railroads. I mean, typically for long drives, you know, don't use AC. I feel like it beats on the car so much more. I'd prefer not to use AC while I'm driving. Definitely crack those windows if you got the chance. I mean, at least we're very fortunate. We gotta buy the car from CarMax and they offer a 30-day buyback, but I don't really see any point in that. Like, if you like the car and something goes, they also offer the 90-day or 4,000 mile warranty, which they claim to cover engine, drivetrain, pretty much anything on the car that goes because of the car and not because of you. They will replace like full coverage in that 90-day period. So in the meantime, we just enjoy the car and keep it stock. If anything like goes, we replace it, we let the 90 days run out, don't mess with the ECU at all, keep doing our oil changes, and that's it. Alright, morning Subi fam. This is going to be part 2 of trying to get a POV drive of what we think is a perfect sports daily driver for y'all, which is a 2018 STI. I mean, fuck it, all STIs are perfect. All year STIs. Cars are awesome. They do great on gas, like 20 miles to the gallon. Man, I wish I had Scooby cruising with me. I used to cruise with Shadow every morning to work and every day back, which is Harold's car, but now I got a new job, solo dolo. Y'all get to see the highway, back roads, a little bit like out of town. Everything Subaru goes through, and it handles it all amazing, and you get to have a lot of fun while doing it in your morning drive to work. If you saw the last video, we did get to do the axle backs. We talked about it at the end of the car buy-in, so you get to hear a little rumble hopefully in this POV video. So I'm sure if you guys are familiar with the STIs, you know about intelligent mode, sport sharp. In this situation, you would want to go sport sharp if you're trying to catch up to someone, which is nice because it almost like controls your turbo. Intelligent mode obviously keeps it the lowest. Sport is gonna bump it up a little bit, and then sport sharp is where you got it full. You also got the diff control down here. You can slap it, center diff, front diff, rear he's going breakdown lane. What a fucking crazy bastard. What the fuck? Yo, man's fucking crazy, bro. Dude's fucking gone. Crazy bastards, bro. You can see all the shit getting kicked up. I know all those tires survived. That's so dangerous. Oh shit. There's a nice Eclipse on our ass. Freaking full front mount. Today we're in blue. 2018 STI Type RA. It is one of the special editions. Only 500 made in the state. Well, technically they were all manufactured in Japan. And then they were brought over to the States, which is pretty cool. So they came with this little badge right here letting you know which number it was, and it just follows the production line. I'm telling you guys, just driving these Subies, it's just a lot of fun. The all-wheel drive, the aluminum control arms, the awesome 6-speed that we all know handles so much. It makes the drive home much, much more fun and enjoyable, which is very important. That freaking Honda slammed, holy fuck. Freaking CRV. Oh, my Volvo drives. Shit, you're going left, you crazy bastard. Ow, you motherfucker. That a lot. Oh, dude, that'd be a good one. That'd be fun. Oh shit, we gotta get on the side of him, guys. We gotta get on the side of him.